Feeling ready to take some profits off the table? This video is your express guide on how to withdraw funds from Bybit. First, head over to Bybit and log into your account. Make sure you have two-factor authentication enabled for enhanced security. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Assets section. You can usually find this by clicking on your profile icon or a similar menu option in the top right corner of the screen. You'll be directed to your Assets overview here. You'll see a breakdown of your holdings. Locate the Withdraw button, likely positioned next to the asset you wish to withdraw, and click on it. A withdrawal request page will appear. Select the cryptocurrency you intend to withdraw. Be absolutely certain you're choosing the correct coin to avoid any losses. Next, choose the chain type. Ensure the receiving platform supports the chain type you select here. Carefully input the withdrawal address. Triple check it. A single typo can mean your funds are lost forever. Copy and paste whenever possible to avoid errors. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal amounts or withdrawal fees. You may be prompted to complete a security verification. This usually involves entering a code sent to your email or phone, or both, depending on your security settings. After confirming the verification code, your withdrawal request will be submitted. You can track the status of your withdrawal in your withdrawal history. It might take some time for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn funds from Bybit. Remember to always double-check addresses and be aware of withdrawal fees. Happy trading!